Okay, so check this out, right? I love this lian mesh case so much that I decided to buy another one. But unfortunately, the person I bought it off got rid of the mounting brackets for the hard drives. So you're supposed to have 3 of these modular drives, but he threw all this away because of the way he wanted to set up his system. So what did I do? Well, this is what I did. I bought a hard drive stacker and simply installed it into this case. Look at that. I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm still able to install 3 3.5-inch hard drives. Also, he only had one of these left, and this sits on top of here. The power source goes underneath, and that sits on top to allow air through. Or you can simply put fans there. But because I'm not going to put fans there, I bought these covers and sat them on top. I think that looks pretty good. Not bad, eh?